Hey guys, Nicole Andrews here. Welcome back, Eternity Warrior Fit channel. So we are on day sweet 16 of our 30 days to sexier abs. How are you guys doing? I want to know. Make sure you comment because I'm killing my abs. I hope you're killing yours and it's feeling good. So today we have a round of 10 crunches, plank for 10, and then 10 crunches, plank for 10, 10 crunches. We're just gonna keep doing that, for 6 minutes straight. So why don't we just get started? If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. After this, we have tons of recipes coming. We have anti-aging interviews. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to bring you all this great stuff. So let's go. First, we're gonna start with a standard crunch. So we're gonna go on your back. You only have plank in between each one. So once we start on our back, we're just gonna count for 10, okay? So standard crunch for 10. So fingertips behind the head, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And now plank for 10. So roll over to your forearms and we're going back and forth is 1, 2. Hold that core in tight. 4, 5. Get that butt down. 7, 8, 9, 10. Flip it over. We got our right straight leg up, left one down, but float it. Flex your feet, and we're gonna crunch. Just hold it here, hold the leg static, and try not to put any pressure on your head. Just hold it up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then we're just gonna switch legs and float the other leg for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, flex those feet, 2, and 1. Good. Bring it in, over to plank. So with this plank here, we're just gonna tap it, tap the heel of your opposite foot with the opposite toe, getting into the nitty-gritty of our abs here. These micro movements do a lot more than we think. And we got 4 more. Get your butt down. 2 and 1. Good. Flip it over. Skateboard crunches. So what we're gonna do is just hands behind the head, and then you're gonna tap like you're doing a little skateboard trick, okay? And then tap to the other side. So 1 and 1 is 1. So that's 2, 3. Really crunch it up there. 4, 5. Oh no, that's 5. 6. Good job. Suck it in. 7, 8, 9. Really twist. Get those obliques. 10. Flip it over. This time we're gonna do planks and we're gonna do hip dips. So get your plank solid. And 1 and 1 is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suck it in. 5. Shoulders over your elbows. 7, 8. Engage those abs. 9, 10. Good job. Flip it over. We start again. 2.5 minutes left. Standard crunch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Flip it over. Plank. We're going to do 10 pelvic tilts. So So make sure your belly's tucked in, and these are, again, micro movements. So if you have a hyperextended back, you can really feel it. If you don't, you're just moving that pelvis forward and back, but you're really tucking those lower abs in tight, making sure that your butt is down. We got 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Straight legs. Let's finish it up here. So remember, flex your feet, float your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch it. 1, 2, 3. You guys got this. 4. Exhale on the exertion. 2 more. Good job. Go right into those skaters for that last minute. No more plank rest here. That was an active recovery. Let's burn it out. We got less than a minute left, you guys. We're gonna end with these oblique skaters and burn out those obliques. So really twist up as much as you can, like you're doing in air, on the skateboard, on the wakeboard, on the pretend board. You can pretend that you're a rock star. X Games right here. Crunch it in. Let's go. We got less than 30 seconds, you guys. Keep that chin away from the chest and keep moving that core as you build and chisel those abdominal muscles. You guys are doing great. 10 seconds here. We keep it going. You're like, she's crazy. You know what? I am. 2, 1. Now take a deep breath in. Elongate out the spine. Make sure you get oxygen all throughout those abs and that you feel. Make sure that they get nice and oxygenated, because if we hold our breath, we're not going to be able to build that oxygen, build that chisel, because in order to change, our body needs oxygen. It's the life force, right? So I hope you have a wonderful day. If you haven't, subscribe, click the bell. If you don't click that bell, you're not going to know. Is it 17, 18? When's the next abs day? Tap that bell and make sure to leave us comments. I want to know, are you guys doing this? What do you like? What abs exercises are you feeling sore? Let me know. Love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.